How to add Hostinger domain to systeme.io. If you want to add a Hostinger domain to systeme.io and maybe link the DNS configuration as well, right? All you have to do is simply open your browser, go to systeme.io, which is the official website right here, and just click on the sign in button to obviously go ahead and then sign into your account. Click the profile icon from the top right and go to the option called settings. From settings on the left hand side, you want to go to this option called custom domains. Once you go to custom domains right now, what you have to do is simply click on the add domain option right here. Then all you have to do is simply enter the domain name. And you can also read this article on how to set up a custom domain. So you can open that link in a new tab and follow the instructions to later link the DNS configuration. Now you can just click on the save button, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add it. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add a custom domain to, or a Hostinger domain to your Systeme.io account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.